Welcome to Official Senior Health, your trusted resource for the best health tips and advice to keep you feeling vibrant and strong in your golden years. Today, we're talking about something that's crucial for your daily life, but often overlooked: the strength of your legs. As we age, our legs are the first to show signs of weakness, and this can lead to struggles with mobility and independence. But don't worry. In this video, we're going to reveal 3 powerful drinks that can help restore strength and vitality to your legs. Stick around, because these drinks aren't just healthy, they're also delicious and easy to prepare. What you didn't know about leg weakness. Did you know that your legs are the first to suffer from age-related muscle loss? It's true. As we get older, we lose muscle mass at an alarming rate, and it usually starts with the legs. Weak legs can lead to a host of issues, including difficulty walking, balancing, and even standing up. But what if I told you that there are simple ways to reverse this? Imagine walking with more confidence, climbing stairs without hesitation, and staying independent for years to come. These 3 drinks will do just that. But before we dive in, let's take a look at why leg weakness happens in the first place. As we age, our muscles naturally lose strength and mass in a process called sarcopenia. This decline can start as early as our 30s, but it becomes more noticeable in our 50s and beyond. When you don't use your muscles regularly, they begin to atrophy, especially the muscles in your legs that bear your body weight all day. This means that your legs start to feel weaker, making everyday tasks more challenging. But here's the good news. You can fight this process by nourishing your body with the right nutrients. You can support muscle recovery, improve strength, and give your legs the boost they need to stay strong. And the best part? It all starts with the drinks you consume. How food affects your legs' strength. You might be wondering, how do drinks actually affect my legs? Well, the food and beverages we consume play a massive role in building and repairing muscle tissue. They provide the building blocks that our bodies need to stay strong. But not all drinks are created equal. Many store-bought drinks are loaded with sugars and artificial ingredients that do nothing for your health. What you need are drinks packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and proteins that actively work to rebuild your muscles. And that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. So without further ado, let's dive into our first powerful drink that's going to help you strengthen your legs and feel more energetic. First drink, bone broth. The first drink on our list is something you may not have expected: bone broth. Bone broth has been used for centuries as a healing tonic, but it's only recently gained popularity for its numerous health benefits. It's packed with collagen, which is essential for joint health and muscle repair, making it a perfect choice for those of us dealing with leg weakness. Bone broth is rich in amino acids like glycine and proline, which support muscle growth and help maintain the integrity of your connective tissue, like tendons and ligaments. This means that drinking bone broth can directly improve your leg strength by nourishing your muscles and joints, helping you stay active for longer. But that's not all. Bone broth is also a fantastic source of minerals, including calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which are critical for bone health. As we age, our bones naturally lose density, leading to conditions like osteoporosis, which can further weaken your legs. By drinking bone broth regularly, you're providing your body with the nutrients it needs to keep your bones strong and your muscles functioning properly. Now, you might be wondering, how do I make bone broth? Don't worry, it's easier than you think. You can either make your own at home by simmering bones with vegetables and herbs for hours, or you can buy pre-made bone broth from your local store. Just make sure to choose one that's low in sodium and doesn't contain any artificial additives. But wait, let's talk a little more about collagen. You've probably heard of it before, but did you know that collagen is the most abundant protein in our body, and it plays a major role in maintaining the strength and flexibility of your muscles and joints? As we age, our body's collagen production decreases, which can lead to weaker muscles and a higher risk of joint pain. By regularly consuming collagen-rich foods and drinks like bone broth, you're replenishing your body's collagen stores and helping to keep your legs strong, flexible, and pain-free. Now let's move on to our second drink, which is packed with nutrients that are perfect for strengthening your legs. Second drink, green smoothie with spinach and banana. The next drink we recommend is a green smoothie, specifically one made with spinach and banana. This combination might sound simple, but it's incredibly powerful for boosting your leg strength. Let me explain why. Spinach is a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins and minerals that are essential for muscle function, including potassium, magnesium, and iron. Potassium is especially important for muscle contractions, while magnesium supports muscle relaxation. Both of these minerals help prevent leg cramps, which can become more frequent as we age. Bananas, on the other hand, are rich in potassium, which plays a vital role in maintaining proper muscle function and preventing weakness. They're also high in natural sugars, which provide your body with a quick source of energy. This is essential for keeping your legs feeling strong and energized throughout the day. By blending these two ingredients together into a delicious smoothie, you get a drink that nourishes your muscles, hydrates your body, and provides you with the energy you need to keep moving. Plus, it's incredibly easy to make. Just blend a handful of spinach, 1 banana, some water or coconut water, and a little honey if you like it sweet. You can even throw in some protein powder if you want an extra muscle-boosting punch. But green smoothies do more than just help with leg strength. They're a fantastic way to increase your vegetable intake, and they're full of antioxidants that help fight inflammation in your body. Inflammation is one of the key culprits behind muscle soreness and weakness, especially in older adults. By drinking green smoothies, you're giving your body the tools it needs to reduce inflammation and recover faster after physical activity. All right, now let's talk about our third and final drink, which is one of the most nutrient-dense options you can add to your daily routine. Third drink, turmeric ginger tea. The final drink on our list is turmeric ginger tea. Turmeric and ginger are both known for their anti-inflammatory properties, and when combined in a soothing tea, they provide an amazing boost for your leg strength. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful compound that reduces inflammation in your muscles and joints. This is especially important as we age, because chronic inflammation can lead to conditions like arthritis, which can severely limit mobility. Ginger, on the other hand, helps improve circulation, which is vital for keeping your leg muscles nourished with oxygen and nutrients. By sipping on a cup of turmeric ginger tea daily, you can reduce muscle stiffness, fight inflammation, and improve blood flow, all of which contribute to stronger legs. Plus, this drink is incredibly soothing and perfect for winding down at the end of a long day. So, if you're dealing with leg pain, stiffness, or weakness, don't reach for over-the-counter painkillers. Instead, try drinking turmeric ginger tea as a natural remedy. The combination of these two ingredients has been used for centuries to relieve pain, reduce inflammation, and support joint health. It's a simple, natural solution that can make a big difference in how your legs feel and function. Conclusion. Now that you know the 3 powerful drinks that can help strengthen your legs and restore vitality, it's time to take action. Start incorporating these drinks into your daily routine and watch as your legs become stronger, more energized, and ready to tackle whatever life throws your way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Official Senior Health for more expert tips on staying healthy and strong in your senior years. Your health journey starts today, and it all begins with one small step, or in this case, one powerful drink. Stay strong, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.